Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the teaser of Raj Pushpa in Fina by Raj Pushpa Properties, which is located on Narsinghi's TSPA Service Road, Hyderabad. So before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. And as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office and that is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. You see this project is going to be constructed on 12.96 acres of land parcel featuring 6 towers with 4 basement, 1 stilt and 55 floors having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So this project is located on Narsinghi's TSPA Service Road, Hyderabad. Now, this is going to be your entire connectivity and that side of the road easily connects you to your outer ring road and your financial district as well. Coming over to your connectivity part, the Nehru Outer Ring Road is only 200 meters away from here. Ocean Park 3.8 kilometers away. Golconda Fort also 6.9 kilometers away from here, and your financial district and IT hubs also just being 30 minutes away. Now, coming over to the amenities part, you see this project is going to come with modern luxurious amenities which includes a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, fitness center, yoga and meditation deck and a lot more. Let's talk about super built up area. So for 3 BHK it is 3080 and 4 BHK is 3705 to 5725 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, share pricing, payment schemes, and you will also be shown the actual location of the site. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the teaser of Raj Pushpa in Fina by Raj Pushpa Properties located in Narsinghi, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.